be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step a foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you. What's up, everybody? It's Big Rough TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now this one I'm very excited to get in. This is one of my favorite colorways of shoes. This is my favorite colorway. This is my absolute favorite colorway, and here in just a second I'll show you why. But I got these from Sneakers. In fact, my brother actually is the one who got the early access, and being that he wasn't really interested in them, he wasn't going to get them, he passed on his early access to me, and they arrived here to me today. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it, man. First, I want to show you these. The 2017 Air Jordan 1 Royals. Alright, if you all can see, this is back when Nike was having the issues with the sparkles and everything on the black there. They're black leather. I have a pair of the black and red Jordan 1s that have that sparkling issue. But these are still dope. Get a little damp towel and wipe that off. It'll look just like it's supposed to. But these have been worn. These are not dead stock, but they still look great, man. This is why I like Jordan 1s, because you can wear them, beat them up, and they still look nice. Alright, so this is the 2017 Jordan 1 Royals. Alright. This right here, also from 2017. This is the Flyknit Air Jordan 1 Royal. Alright, so this is based off of this shoe. The Flyknit version of this same shoe. Alright, love these. These are very, very, very comfortable. Very comfortable. And then they're built nicely. I know these aren't a huge hit for people, but these are very nice. Very nice. I just rocked these the other day. But very dope. Alright. And then these, while not technically a Royal, this isn't technically a Royal. These are called the Sport Blue AJKOs. But let's keep it real. This is a Royal. This is a Royal. I mean, maybe they didn't add the blue on the back heel tab there, but this is based off of this. Let's just keep it real. Alright? So, as you can see, black and the royal blue are my favorite colorways of shoes. Like, I absolutely love that colorway. Which brings us to this. Make sure my address isn't on there. Nike box, as you can see. And boom, here we are. Black and royal Jordan 1 Nike box. Boom, boom, boom. Alright. It actually says on the back there, 1985 Air Jordan 1. Alright. 1985. Pretty good year. One would say great year. Probably my favorite year. That's when I was born. So, let's go ahead and get into these. Open up the box. And you see the paper that's lining the inside here. Each shoe is individually wrapped. Boom, boom, individually wrapped here. This one individually wrapped as well. And then on the front, You have Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, colorway black, royal blue, and white, size 14, of course. And let's bring these bad boys out. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. These feel great in the hands. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. The Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. Alright? Man, I like how these bad boys look. I like it. We got that suede-ish kind of material, some nubuck on here. Definitely a different take on the Royal ones. And I know, man, Rob, you got 3 different pairs of shoes that look like this. Why did you need these? Because it's my favorite colorway. This is my favorite Jordan 1. Alright, the Royal is my favorite Jordan 1. This is why there's 3 other different versions of this shoe. Alright, so boom, this is the reimagined version of this shoe. Alright, and man, I like it. I like it. With the light hitting it, it looks like this blue is a little bit lighter on the reimagined, but it's not. They're really the same. It's just the materials bring out a different look, and probably the lighting here. But to my eyes, not looking at the camera, they're the same color. They're the same. The toe box is a little bit lighter here. Or darker, I should say. Toe box is a little bit darker, but they're the same shoe. Yeah. I'm doing it all around here. Bottoms are the same. Everything's the same about those bottoms. The tongue, similar. All black tongue with your Nike Air in the swoosh. Same there. The reimagined though is different on the back. As you can see, it's all black there on the back, but then the regular is white on the back. The reimagined tongue also feels a little bit stiffer, but that's probably just because it's fresh out the box and I haven't worn it, you know, and these are worn in a little bit. These are more broken in. On the insole, there's another difference. The insole here is white. If y'all can see on the original, the insole is white. Man, I don't wore off the Nike Air on the inside there. But the insole is white on the Royals, on the leather, the original leather ones. And then on the inside here, let me take the paper out. On the inside of the Reimagined, it is black. And you have your Nike Air and your size tagging there. Alright. Pretty much everything else is similar. Black laces here. Nothing on the lace tips. Same as you would have here. Same as you have on the AJKO version. And same as you would have on the Flyknit version. However, the Flyknit version does have metal tips. It's like it has a harder metal tip there. So I do like that. And also it's that leather right there. Let's Put the fly knits to the side. But yeah, I dig them, man. I dig the materials used. I put the old school, the originals to the side. I dig the material that is used here. I like the suede. What looks like all the blue is suede. Every area that is blue around the shoe is a little bit thicker of a suede cut, whereas the black is the smooth nubuck. All right. Yeah. I really like these. You know what they remind me of? The blue that's on this, they remind me of the blue suede Jordan 1s. The Jordan 1s that are all the blue suede. The blue used here reminds me of this blue. You see how this is all around just a blue suede? This is a blue suede shoe. This is the blue suede Jordan 1. The blue that is used here reminds me a lot of this. Especially as you look down, the holes on the perforated, you know, the holes on the toe box are a lot better on the Reimagined. But it's just that shade of blue and how they did the blue suede on this reminded me a lot of this one. Highly slept on shoe. But anyway, it's not about the all over royal blue. The blue suede royal. These are dope, man. I did not get the early access, but shout out to my big brother for not wanting these. We negotiated the deal, and here they are. I'm glad that I was able to get them. I'm glad that he didn't want them, because now they belong to me. Let me see. The right looks exactly the same. I already know this, but I believe they come with the extra laces on the right side, and they do. So I'm not going to pull the right shoe out, but here are the extra laces. Alright, they come with an additional pair of the royal blue laces if you want to switch things up. Alright, but yes sir, very nice, man, very nice. They feel really good in the hand. I like this material. I think this is a good look for the Reimagined and how they switched this up. I mean, they could have done a Reimagined just like they did with the Lost and Found and made these look vintage and like, you know, they aged and all that stuff and just kind of cracked the leather up here. They could have did the exact same thing as they did with the Lost and Founds, and it still would be a nice looking shoe. But I like this switch up on this one and make it all new different materials with this one, because it makes it feel like it's a different shoe. You know what I mean? This feels like it's different. This almost feels like a combination of all the other ones. If you're just looking at this one, let me bring them in. You're looking at the Royal, the Fly Knit, the regular Royals, you know, the AJKOs, I should say. This fits right in. Now that I'm holding them like this, oh man, that's a lot of Jordan 1 Royals here. But now that I'm holding them like this, it almost looks like the Reimagined fits in more with the AJKO from this perspective. Whereas the Fly Knit kind of fits in a little bit better with the regular Royals, the 2017 release. It looks like it's a different shade of blue. Looking at it in the camera lens there, in the viewer, it looks like 4 different shades of blues. But looking at them heads on, they don't look all that different, except for the AJKO in the center there. That's a completely different lighter blue. Alright. But what do you all think of these? Did anybody else go for them? Did anybody else hit? As far as I know, if you did get them, your pair should be arriving today, just like mine are. So let me know if you did get them, if you did go after them. Are you planning to get them when they actually release? I believe it's November the 4th. Are you going to go for these? Because I think they're pretty dope. I'm clearly biased though. But I don't think personally that this is going to be a Jordan 1 that sits. I know Jordan 1s these days, the GR pair, like the mauve pair just sat. Some of the other ones like the cement pair, the all gray cement pair sat. The white and red lows just sat. Like Jordan 1s are sitting a lot longer these days, but this is a classic colorway though. This is like the Royals. I can't see the Royals sitting. I just can't see that. But let me know what you guys think. That's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.